Let's get straight to it. The Ford F-150 with the Coyote V8. This truck is a unicorn for gearheads who want muscle and utility in one package. It's a pickup, but it has the heart of a Mustang, which is just cool. You'll hear people grumble about modern trucks going all turbo and six-cylinder. The F-150 Coyote, though, is a glorious exception. You get 400 horsepower and an exhaust note that sounds like it just chugged a shot of espresso. But here's the pain point. These trucks are rarely the cheapest at the lot. Ford saves the V8s for higher trims, so you're often looking at an upcharge that's a grand or two more than the EcoBoosts. Is the sound and rawness worth it? For thousands, yes. Daily driving one is honestly kind of addictive. Every red light becomes a moment for self-restraint because it'll launch from a stop with torque that flips your heavy cargo like it's made of paper. You feel it. Instant, punchy acceleration. People will tell you it's all about towing. Scott, I don't race my truck, I haul. But the Coyote isn't just about towing numbers. It maxes out at 13,000 pounds, true, but it also delivers passing power even up mountains, loaded or not. One step people miss: getting the right axle ratio. Too many settle for the 3.31 gears, but if you tow, the 3.73 or 4.0 ratios transform how the truck handles loads. Don't let the dealer sell you short on this step. It's key. Fuel economy pain, let's address it. Real world, I see about 16 mpg in mixed driving around Portland, which is lower than the EcoBoost, but honestly worth it if you factor in the fun and the worry-free soundtrack. There's a quirky pro tip I discovered. Run premium fuel, even if it's not required. The engine is smart enough to take advantage, so you'll get better throttle response, and it legitimately feels like you unlocked an extra 20 horses. Routine maintenance is critical. The Coyote isn't fragile, but cheap oil or skipped services will eat at those high-revving cams. Stick to full synthetic and never neglect the oil change intervals. That's how you get the best lifespan out of this V8. Common pain point: noise. These things are not quiet luxury inside, especially under load. Wind, road, engine, all louder than you expect unless you spring for a higher trim cabin. For some that's charming, for others it's the reason they go Chevy. Customization is everywhere. You can bolt on a cold air intake and a catback exhaust in an afternoon and gain 10 to 20 horsepower. The aftermarket is massive, with everything from superchargers to mild tunes, all tested by guys like me so you don't have to guess. The F-150 Coyote isn't just a truck, it's a statement. You buy one because you want to feel something every time you drive, not just be carried from point A to B. And after living with one, every other truck feels a little flat.